Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English Grammar Beginner Level Quiz. Which word is an adjective? Quickly, happy, run. Happy. What is the correct past tense of do? Doed, did, done. Did. Choose the correct conjunction. I like tea blank coffee. And, but, or. And. What is the plural of man? Mans, men, mans. Men. Identify the object in the preposition. The cat is sleeping blank the bed. Cat is bed. Bed. Select the correct form of to be in the present tense. They blank happy. Am, is, are. Are. What is the comparative form of far? Farther, forest, farther. Farther. Which sentence is grammatically correct? We don't have any milk. We doesn't have any milk. We don't have any milk. We don't have any milk. What is the correct possessive form of it? It's, it. It's. Choose the correct adverb. She ran blank to catch the bus. Quick, quickly, quicklier. Quickly. Choose the correct auxiliary verb. I blank going to the party. Am, is, are. Am, I am going to the party. What is the correct article? I need blank new computer. A, an, the. A, I need a new computer. Which sentence is grammatically correct? She is good in singing. She is good at singing. Go, goes, going. Go. They go to school every day. Identify the subject in the sentence. The sun is shining. Sun is shining. Sun.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.